How does immunotherapy create superresponders in breast cancer? Imagine a tiny army inside your body that can be awakened to fight cancer more effectively. That's what immunotherapy aims to do in breast cancer. It works by boosting your immune system, especially the cells called cytotoxic T cells, which are like the body's soldiers that attack and destroy cancer cells. When immunotherapy is successful, it can turn some patients into superresponders, meaning their tumors shrink dramatically and stay that way for a long time. But why does this happen for some and not others? It all depends on the environment around the tumor and certain biological factors. Breast cancer isn't the same for everyone. Some types are more likely to respond to immunotherapy. For example, triple-negative breast cancer tends to have more immune cells called tumor-infiltrating lymphocytes inside the tumor. This makes the tumor microenvironment more immunogenic, meaning it can be more easily recognized and attacked by the immune system. In these cases, immune checkpoint blockade therapies, which help reactivate T cells that have been suppressed, often work better. Patients with triple-negative breast cancer who have a higher number of immune cells and a larger tumor burden sometimes see stronger, more lasting responses. These patients are often called superresponders because their immune systems rally and fight off the cancer very effectively. On the other hand, hormone receptor-positive breast cancers usually have a different environment. They tend to have fewer immune cells, low levels of PD-L1, and more immune-inhibiting cells like certain macrophages. This creates an immune-suppressive environment that makes it harder for immunotherapy to work. Because of this, fewer patients with hormone receptor-positive breast cancer become superresponders. Researchers are working on new combination treatments and targeting different parts of the immune system to help these tumors respond better. What influences whether someone becomes a superresponder? First, the makeup of the tumor microenvironment is key. Tumors rich in active cytotoxic T cells and low in suppressive cells are more likely to respond well. Second, tumors with higher mutation rates tend to produce more neoantigens, which are like flags that alert the immune system to attack. Third, certain gene expressions and immune markers can predict who might respond better. Fourth, starting immunotherapy early or combining it with treatments like chemotherapy or radiation can make the immune system more active. Finally, individual factors such as age, how much tumor is present at the start, and previous treatments also play a role. In essence, immunotherapy helps create superresponders by lifting the immune system's brakes, allowing it to recognize and attack cancer cells more effectively. This is especially true in tumors that are already somewhat hot with immune activity, like triple-negative breast cancer. For other types, ongoing research is exploring ways to turn cold tumors into hot ones by modifying the tumor environment and finding new biomarkers. The goal is to personalize treatments and combine therapies to give each patient the best chance of becoming a superresponder. Always remember, each person's cancer is unique, so talking with healthcare professionals is essential to find the most effective approach.